My name is Max Kavanaugh. I'm here at the MarineMax Rogers location, and we have this beautiful used boat behind me. It's a 2010 Sea Ray 270 SLX that we took in on trade. And I wanted to showcase this boat for you guys. Beautiful white hull bottom with this black accent color. Stainless steel anchor up front. You have the Sea Ray logo here, stainless steel cleats, 6 in total all the way around the boat. Nice, beautiful little hardtop there with the bimini structure up there. Really cool design, looks sharp too. Moving our way to the back here, you have trim tabs right here, big swim platform, big Sea Ray logo up here. You do have a tow point back here as well, which is really nice for your tubers, your skiers, or even a wakeboarder. And you do have your Bravo 3 drive here, which is phenomenal to have. You have a little boarding ladder right here, just to make it easy to get up into the boat with a grab handle here that's stainless steel. More stainless steel grab handles in the back here. Your gas fill located back here on the starboard side. I'm sorry, on the port side. And then you have a transom stereo remote back here, so you can change the song or change the volume if you'd like, just with a touch of the button back here, which is kind of useful, especially if you're anchored and hanging out back here. And one more cool feature is you do have a transom, little washdown station here. You can pull this out if you're anchored somewhere and you have people come up from the sandy or weedy lake. You can spray your feet off, and that way you're not tracking dirt up into the boat itself. That was the exterior, brief and quick, but let's go take a peek at the interior. All right, welcome to the interior of this 270 SLX here. I want to point out this nice little walkway that you have into the cockpit area, which is very nice. And once you get inside, you have a great seating configuration. You have the white upholstery. It looks really sharp and it's very timeless. You're going to see that you have a lot of cup holders around this boat as well that are all stainless steel. Just finished off very nicely. Grab handles, stainless steel. Over on the starboard side, you'll see a little vanity here with a little sink, so you can wash your hands if you need to, prepare some hors d'oeuvres or have some snacks set up here. You will have storage underneath here as well. You can set a little garbage can in there if you like. As we make our way up here towards the helm and the passenger side, at the helm, you'll notice a very nice captain's chair. Great bolstering, great cushioning, feels very comfortable when you're driving. That's the same thing with the passenger chair. Very well built. Your throttle is off to your right here. You have a nice beautiful dash here with all the switches that you need. Your traditional gauge clusters here. You have some digital readouts as well. You have a nice compass up here. You have your physical switches off to your left and to your right here. Your trim tab switches here to control your trim tabs, just to make it easy. And then your stereo system here, the Sony head unit right here. On the passenger side, again, same captain's chair, a lot of great bolstering, flip up bolsters and flip down. So if you want to see over the windshield a little bit better, you can flip those up. You have your grab handle here for the passenger, cup holders there for convenience. And then at the dash here on the passenger side, you have glove box, access to another stereo head unit right here. And it does have a head in this 270 SLX. A little space for the bathroom right there. Easy to get to. Moving our way up here into the bow. Nice big walkway, doesn't feel cramped, very spacious. It's very deep up in this 270 SLX in the bow. Feels just very comfortable. It'll be comfortable in the water, whether you're on the river, a lake. You're gonna feel safe if you have small kids up here. Again, grab handles on each side. You have 2 cup holders on each side, so 4 in total up in the bow. And then just a lot of space to lay out, relax, and enjoy this 270 SLX. Up in the anchor locker, there is a bow washdown station, so you can spray off your anchor when it comes up from the bottom of the lake or river. That way you can keep it looking nice and clean. You guys, this is the 2010 Sea Ray 270 SLX. It's located here at our MarineMax Rogers location. If you guys have any questions, please give us a call or feel free to come stop in and check out this beautiful boat. We'd be glad to help you out. Thank you.